I have a new channel that I monetized with just one video. I'm not doing this only once, I've done it twice. This channel has over 100k views on my first video. I was able to monetize it in the very first week, but the question is, how am I achieving this? I am utilizing only 2 tricks to make these 2 videos viral, tricks that every creator is aware of, yet many choose to ignore. Before I reveal these tricks to you, I will show you the analytics of this video and it will astonish you. I uploaded it in January, and in just the first 24 hours, I got 43,000 views and 3,000 watch time. I received over 2,000 subscribers, but what's shocking is that the overall impressions of this video have only reached 87,000 so far. While this video has over 130,000 views, I know you must be wondering, how is this possible? How many people have not recommended the video, yet so many others have watched it? Is Parveen Bhai a hacker? No. This happened because of the screen element. Our first cigarette trick is involved.